The convention kit is here. This is the moment that we wait for all year long. So are you guys excited to open this up with me and experience these new products for the first time? I am so excited. So here we go. Oh boy. Open them up the box. Paper. Super exciting. All right, here we go. We've got our convention kit. So excited. All right, so here we go. You guys, check this out. This is OnGuard Toothpaste, and it is going to be reformulated, which I absolutely love. And look at this really awesome, I'm just looking at the ingredients, and do you know what I don't see on here anymore? Let's look at this together. By popular demand, there's no carrageenan in this anymore. So I will tell you that doTERRA did use a carrageenan that was a good carrageenan. I know that probably sounds silly, but it's out. So no carrageenan. So many of you guys will be so excited about this toothpaste. And look at how cool it looks. It got a makeover. We all need a makeover every once in a while. And Helichrysum. Okay, so we've had Helichrysum. We'll set these up nicely. We've had Helichrysum, but it is in a little 5 ml. And it is one of my favorite oils. I do not go anywhere without it because it is so great at aiding your body in just the natural healing process when a cut or a scrape occurs, right? So this is now going to be Helichrysum Touch, which means it's diluted in a little bit of coconut oil. This is so perfect to have on the go. You can just throw it in your purse and it's already diluted. So it's so great. You guys, I am so excited about this Helichrysum that's Touch because A, it's gonna be a little bit more affordable, and B, it's already diluted and ready to go. And that's what I like to have in a roller bottle. All right, so we have, ooh, a new bath bar. So doTERRA has a spa line and they have bath bars, and this has Balance in it. So Balance oil was the very first oil that I ever used when I started doTERRA. It is literally what got me started on my journey 11 years ago, was using Balance oil. So having this in a bath product is so incredible because it's just gonna be so relaxing. All right, what's next? Oh, OnGuard hand wipes. Okay, so guess what? They used to have something very similar to this like 10 years ago, and they brought it back, and I'm so excited. OnGuard hand wipes. So here's the cool thing about these is that if you're like at the store and you want to wipe off the shopping cart, this has got your back. You can totally use these. I want to make sure you guys can see these just fine. So here we go. Very excited about these wipes. And then we have, I'm horrible at pronouncing new oil names that I'm not familiar with. So we have Devana, not sure how we quite pronounce it, but I'm so excited about this. And it's in a Touch, which means it's diluted. How cool. We're gonna learn the name of these together. So very excited about that. We have 2 more oils. This is so exciting. This is like Christmas. Bergamot mint. I can't wait to try this. Now this is not a blend. So I know a lot of you are gonna be thinking that it's bergamot and then mint together. Bergamot mint is actually the name of the oil. Mentha citrata leaf oil. I'm excited about that. It's gotta be good. And then we have Tulsi, which is a form of holy basil. I've had so many people ask me for holy basil and I didn't know what it was. I've got it now. And it has a label color that I've actually never seen at doTERRA. It's more of a lighter purple. So that's kind of cool. It's gonna be so fun. And I am gonna do more videos on all of these and you can learn how to use each specific thing. This one's like, you know, like the remove cap and brush sort of thing. Open and wipe. But these, there's gonna be some really fun applications and I'm gonna go ahead and do some videos, so be on the lookout for those. And then doTERRA has added in something really cool with their kit this year. They're doing, there's a mood kit. So these are not new products in here, but rather they've added them to the kit bundled. And so these are things that you'll be able to add to your loyalty orders in the future. Now this does come with the convention kit. So you will get this with the convention kit, but in the future you can add these to your oils and it will come with this cool case. So let's see what's in here because I don't remember what was in this, but I'm so excited about it. More paper. There we go. A travel-sized deodorant, and it's balanced. So here we go. We have our balanced bar and our balanced deodorant. It needs to be the focal point now. OnGuard sanitizing wipes, move out of the way. Adaptive capsules, hands down one of my favorite things just for mood support. So again, these are not new. There are just packaging things for LRP, which is so great, but you get it with your kit, with your convention kit, which is so awesome. Balance oil, this was my first love. Got this. This was literally my first oil that I tried. So great. Oh, gonna knock over the balanced deodorant, and then the adaptive roller. I am so excited about these. And here's the cool thing. It's so nice to have a travel case, and this is gonna come with your kit, but then it also comes comes in handy when you travel. So there is the Convention 2020 kit, and I'm so excited. So be on the lookout for more videos where we go through and talk specifically about how to use everything. Yeah, deodorant, video already done, right? But like, in all seriousness, we're gonna talk about some of these oils and then just some fun, like practical applications for when you would wanna use sanitizing wipes, which you guys might think I'm crazy, but it's really fun to be like, oh yeah, I could use it for that. So I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna go brush my teeth right now and see what I think.